All right, give me them exhaust clips. Oh, this actually sounds better than inside the cabin. Still not that good.
It sounds good under load. Let's do some drive-bys.
Yeah, air her up. Show us what you got.
Wanna do some drive-bys?
Yeah, just. What was that like? Good job, Peter.
Thanks.
All right, Taylor, where are you at, boy?
It's probably gonna swing around and kill me.
You got to stay under 10 miles an hour. You know it. You get a good idea of how it sounds. Not super loud. Sounds kind of meh. No turbo noises, unfortunately. Yeah. What do you think of it?
It's pretty beat. It sounds like every other Subaru ever to be put in production.
Stock. Let's make it louder. That's pretty good. Something clicked, but it could have been loose wheels. But you want to do another one of those?
Something clicked? Did you torque them?
Yeah, with my own brain and hands.
You should go and do another one of those.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's cool. That was cool. That was cool. I heard the exhaust on that slide. $5 Taylor hits us this time because he's gonna go 10 times harder.
What's up, bitch?
Get some good flybys up there.
Closed course, professional driver.
Taylor, I smell clutch.
Thankfully, our clutch only has what, 3,000 miles on it?
Yeah, not even. But now it's got enough use for like 10,000. So I smell.
Roasted the clutch on that one a little
I
bit.
could smell it. You probably can still smell it.
I smelt it, but I also dealt it.
You did. Hey. See, the idle. This sounds good. Like, listen.
Listen to it.
I said listen.
Listen. So we're gonna put an exhaust on it, but we want to run it, get it up to temp, make sure the exhaust is nice and hot before we take it off.
Yeah, I heard that helps with the bolts.
Yeah.
Makes them a little bit looser.
Heat up the bolts and the flanges, make them kind of loosey goosey, as they say, and hopefully she'll come right off.
All right, we'll just bring her on the lift. You good? Just straight. Yep.
Those are 3-inch tips, inner diameter,
Yeah.
plus about another 1.5 inches on the exterior, so
Yeah, I
they're
thought
like 4.5 inch.
I thought they were gonna be smaller, but
Yeah.
they clearly aren't. Oh, what's up, Colin?
Hey!
Yeah, we're gonna install these today. You want light under here?
Comment below what you think that size is. I think it's a 12.
I think it's a 13 since this car is weird.
Okay.
We're both wrong. It's a 14.
What? No. Look at that clean spare tire well, no holes drilled in it from us.
You ever doing
let's
an
see
exhaust?
Yeah,
This
look
is
at that thing.
the world's
You
best
can
tool.
tell by looking at it what it's gonna do. There we go. Wow, that was sweet. And look at that, it stays in there, so you can just leave it.
And there we go. There's
One.
a good side-by-side comparison. Out with the old, in with the new.
Ooh.
Just push her.
Holy brownie, that is awesome.
It's like maybe $15 on Amazon. If it saves you 1 minute, I think it's worth it. I'm kind of holding it, not.
No, yeah, I just let it fall on my head, that's fine.
I don't want that to happen.
Okay.
No, I don't have it.
There goes our gaskets.
There goes the gaskets. Cool. So what we're doing is just putting a little lube on these so they slide in because they're a little bit bigger. Oh, dude, they actually look pretty damn good.
Really?
Yep. We got this section, and we got this section. Now to unbolt that, or unbolt this.
All right, we're buttoning her up. Pretty quick and easy. I don't have a lot of confidence in this sealing. These like constant torque bolt spring things bottomed out on the flange, the OE flange right there. And that's as tight as they can get. All right, we're about to fire her up. She got a grumble.
It's already warm, by the way.
Better.
Definitely sounds better.
Yeah.
Pretty tame, honestly.
Yeah. You hear that?
What?
Oh, I moved a Subaru. No gas. Didn't touch the gas once.
You don't need to.
Stock clutch. You shouldn't have to touch the gas at all on a flat surface.
Nope.
So anybody doing this, just trying to show off. They're terrible skills at clutch.
Yes. It sounds faster.
It does.
That's basically my only conclusion.
Really, anything that has an exhaust will instantaneously sound fast.
Like your 240.
I was just gonna bring up my Volvo. Exhaust rotted off.
Yep.
Woo!
Sounds good.
That was good. That was way better. You can actually like drive the thing because you can hear it.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me take it for
Yeah, try it out. Oh, you stalled it. I was distracted. I think it sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty nice. You're a Subie kid now.
Sounds way better.
Oh yeah, look at that Subaru clutch. Dude, you're doing it. You learned really quickly how to do that. Yeah, little pop, little popper.
Oh yeah. Well, if you ever want to buy this RA, it's been abused, so.
Hit red line a couple of times. Comment below if you think we chose the wrong exhaust or should do more to the exhaust or
Downpipe, get some turbo whistle.
bigger turbo.
Oh, yeah, we'll see.
That'd be sweet.
We'll see.
Comment, subscribe, and like, please.